Hi all, it's been a while and we've been busy, but another quick video. Today we are talking about how to get Dolby Digital across your Windows. So this Dolby Digital will apply to any kind of audio that you're playing on your Windows device, be it Windows 10 or 11, and this is a quick process, so we'll get right into it. So I'll attach the installation files, and in your case you have to just check if you are having a 32-bit or a 64-bit. You can just go to your settings and you'll be able to find it fairly easier. You have to go to your Windows system information, and about your device will show the kind of device you have. In my scenario, it is a 64-bit computer, and what I'll have to do is I'll have to install a 64-bit application. And the Apple driver has a lot of other features, so it'll get blocked by antivirus. So go ahead to your settings and disable your antivirus. I use Avira antivirus, and you can do the same. Instead of disabling everything from Windows Defender, just install Avira and disable Avira, which will help you shorten the process and it will not get marked as spam or taken out. So that's one thing you have to keep in mind. Or you can also go ahead and directly disable from your Windows Defender, but it is a hectic process. Once you're in, you have to go and enable the Dolby PCEE 4, and this is required. The 3 is also fine, but 4 is what we are looking for. Just let it install, and FX Configurator is also required. So keep them checked and just wait for it to get installed. And once it is installed, you'll just have to then patch the file. So you'll see it in your Windows Start button. You will see the device, both FX and maintenance driver. You need the FX configurator. So I'll show you my sound settings before it is getting installed. So before I install it, when I go to my sound, you don't see any specific column called Dolby, and you will see it once I install this particular application and patch it. So go to your application, and this will be a fairly simple process. You will have to select your TV or whatever device you're using that has the HDMI support. Go to Product Config Tools, click on it, and you will see an option called Dolby Home Theater version 4 HDMI/SPDIF. Wait for it to install. Once it shows operations finished, you are good to go. You can just cross-check in your computer, go back to the same sound settings. Once you are in your sound settings, you will see another additional column called Dolby. Right, as I see, this is the new additional column, and you can go to advanced and select Dolby Digital, which will then enable. So you have to select Dolby Digital and click OK. I've run a lot of other software, so it is not showing for me. It will show for you. So just click on that, click on Dolby Digital, hit OK, and you are good to go. Well, that's pretty much it. It's a quick video. I hope it helps, and I'll see you in another one.